Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In the previous video, we have created these two dialog boxes, one for error and one for loading, so that we can use these two dialog boxes anywhere in our project. So in this video, what we are going to do today, we will save the profile image of user into our database. And as you know guys, we have already connected this project to the Firebase. So today in this video, we will save the user profile image in our database. So for that, what we have to do, let's close all this. Now what we have to do, let's open sign up screen where we have designed our sign up screen. So this is one here. So double click on it. So this is our coding for sign up page. So what we have to do to get the image of user into our database, so after these controllers below this, let's declare the instance first. So here final firebase auth equal firebase auth dot instance. Now after this, what we have to do, we have to import one package here. Come here, so right here import, and write firebase, this one, first one, firebase storage dot this one, and write this after this as firebase, sorry, check your spelling please, firebase storage, like this. You have to write like this, import this package firebase store dot as, write this like this, write this as firebase storage. So after this, come here in the new. So after this function choose image, we have to create one function. So here we are giving name upload. This is your function to get image of user profile. Now open bracket and write async and open curly bracket, and inside this we will return our dialog box for loading, so that when anybody will upload his or her file profile, so it will say please wait. So it will show a dialog box, loading dialog box, which we have created already in the last video, previous video I mean. So here it will be context builder will be just like this, remove this and put underscore here inside this, and then open curly brackets and put semicolon, and inside this we will return our alert box, loading alert. So here loading alert box, and here it's asking message, so message will be please wait and semicolon. Then this is the our loading alert dialog box. It will appear when anybody will press on uploading his or her profile. So it will say please wait, it's uploading, and in the backside the image will be uploaded to the database. Now after this, here what we have to do, here we have to create one variable string file name equal to date time now, and dot millisecond since epoch dot to string, like this. Then after this we have to use it. So how to use it? So for that, write firebase storage dot reference equal to firebase storage firebase storage equal to, sorry, not equal, Firebase store dot instance dot reference dot child, and child will be this file name which we have created here. This is variable, so here we will put this file, sorry, here. So file name, this one. Then after this put semicolon. After this write Firebase storage upload task equal await upload task, not await. After remove await, not remain, we will use this reference this one, reference this one, right? Dot put file, and file will be underscore image, and put one exclamation for the null safety like this, and comma. And this variable where is we have declared here, this one file image, and above here we have declared here also. So this is our variable. So after this Firebase storage dot task snapshot, and task snapshot storage is equal to await upload task await upload task, this one, this is your variable, this one upload task, this one dot when complete, and remove this here like this, and put curly braces, put semicolon at the end, and like this. And after this here let's call this variable here. So here we will write await and this variable, this one. So he's saying here task snapshot storage, this is our variable, this one, as you can see, dot get dot reference dot get download URL dot then remove this, put curly brackets and semicolon, and inside this value we will use URL, and inside this what we have to do, get user image URL, this one, and we have created in this global variable, as you know guys in the last previous videos, and it will be equal to this URL, this one, put semicolon. After this print get user URL and semicolon, and here we will registered underscore registered, this will be our function, we will create this, don't worry guys, here you can create right now, no problem, underscore register, and like this, and that's all, the error has gone. So what we are doing here, actually we create this function upload, and this function, inside this function we have showing this dialog box. If everything is okay, so dialog box will appear like please wait until the profile image will upload to the Firebase store. Then after that we are making this variable date time dot now, it's a function also, and 2 millisecond, and then after that we are targeting our image profile to our database, as you can see here Firebase storage dot reference reference equal to file storage. Instance reference child will be file path, which we have created here. Then we are putting this image here, and after that we are taking snapshots, and it will be a wait because it will take a little time to upload, and when it will complete we will get this snapshot here. I hope guys you understand. And we have created this URL variable value, and this value will be equals to get URL. Then we are printing this and register the user. We will create this function in the next video guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. We will register user with email, password and everything. Thank you. Bye bye.